The last rites of martyred Colonel Santosh Mahadik is being performed at his ancestral village in Satara district of Maharashtra with full military honours. Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar along with Army Chief Dalbir Singh Suhag met Colonel Santosh Mahadik's family at his grandfather's village. Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has also paid his homage to Colonel Santosh Mahadik, saying that the state as well as the entire nation will be standing by the family of Colonel Mahadik. Now, Colonel Santosh Mahadik attained martyrdom while he was fighting terrorists in North Kashmir's Kupwara district on Tuesday. As an officer of the elite 21 Para Special Forces unit, Colonel Mahadik led many successful operations against terrorists in Jammu and Kashmir along with the Northeast for over a decade.
उसकी यादें वो हर बात पे वो कुछ तो खास थी, मतलब जो भी बात करता था पूरे दिल से करता था और वो दिल को छू के हम वैसा ही करते थे जैसा वो चाहता था।
आप उनके बड़े भाई, फिर भी आपने
बड़ा फिर भी वो मेरा गुरु था, क्योंकि वो इतना मतलब होशियार और सब अच्छे जो भी गुण आदमी में रहते वो सब उसमें थे। इसलिए मुझे वो पता चला, इसलिए मैं उसको गुरु मान के जो भी मुझे अड़चन आती थी मैं उसको पूछता था, फोन पे बात करता था और वो मेरा पूरे प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करता था। और आगे क्या करना चाहिए, क्या करते रहना चाहिए, हमको कैसा गाँव अपना भाग अपना देश बदलना है, उसके आगे की 10 साल की विजन था। जो भी काम करना है पूरे दिल 100% उसको जोर लगा था, मतलब छोटा छोटा काम भी हो पूरा 100% उसमें इन्वॉल्व होता था और वो काम करता था। अभी मैं कुपवाड़ा गया था तो उसका काम करने का तरीका देख के मुझे लगा वो पिकनिक के लिए इधर आया है क्या, मतलब इतना एंजॉय करके वो काम कर रहा था। उसको कभी ऐसा नहीं लगा कि मैं काम कर रहा हूँ और मुझे तकलीफ हो रही। कौन सा भी काम करते समय वो बहुत एंजॉय करता था, मतलब ऐसा नहीं फौज का ही, इधर आने के बाद हमको भी हेल्प करता था, पूरा नाच काच के हमको हेल्प करता था। ऐसा भाई अगर मुझे नहीं किधर भी आदमी कहा ऐसा नहीं मैंने देखा, इतना वो गॉड ही था हमारा।
Okay, let's go straight now to Pankaj Kelkar, who joins us live. Pankaj, we saw, how the, martyred Colonel Santosh's colleagues and army officers paid their tributes at the, wreath-laying ceremony, which took place at the 15 Corps headquarters, Badami Bagh. And now we can see rather emotional scenes playing out at his village in Satara. Pankaj, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yes, Pankaj, if you could just describe to us, who all have arrived for the last rites of the very brave Colonel.
See, over here you can see huge crowd, government officials, ministers, as well as the officials from the defense forces are here, and you can see the procession, the last rites, the procession is here. It all started from the Aredare village where Santosh Mahadik was adopted by his grandfather. Here you can see thousands of people paying their last tribute, paying a farewell to Colonel Santosh Mahadik. All are here. With me, I have other officials also, and the officer who first trained Santosh Mahadik, he is also with us. He is going to come and talk with us. But over here you can see the picture, huge crowd over here. The preparations are all there. His family, his friends, the villagers from this village. This village has a tradition that although the population of this village is only 400, but there are n number of people who have joined defense forces from these villages. So the village with the tradition is now mourning, but they are proud that the son from this soil has made a his sacrifice won't go waste. Here you can see the last preparations. The procession is just arriving over here, and soon after some time the mortals of Colonel Santosh Mahadik will reach this place and the last rites will be performed.
Absolutely. So as we can see there, a huge procession, a large presence of people who have gathered there in the ancestral village of the very brave colonel who lost his life fighting terrorists and saving his motherland. And now we can see a huge presence of people, which includes his own colleagues, army officers, defense personnel and his relatives who have gathered together to, pay their tributes to Colonel Santosh Mahadik. Also, Pankaj, if you could just tell us a little bit more about this very, very brave army officer who, led from the front, a gallant officer who fought so fearlessly and, in return lost his life as a result.
Avantika, with me I have the officer who trained Santosh Mahadik, the para forces, special forces that was formed, and with us we have the officer. Sir, tell us about Santosh Mahadik. You are the person, you are the officer who first saw Santosh Mahadik and you trained him.
Santosh came into the battalion as a young probationer, from a person from a very humble background, and we could make out that he had exceptional qualities to withstand any amount of stress, to withstand any amount of strain, and he had the aptitude for a special forces soldier. He had that light, he had the life in his eyes. That was one thing which could not be looked away. And we knew he'll be the ideal person for special forces, and he has proved it accordingly.
Behind you, you can see thousands of people paying their last tributes. What would you like to say about this whole picture?
This entire belt either has a farmer or a soldier in every house. People from all over have come, including the Raksha Mantri. From a farmer's belt, from a farmer's son, to rise up to this particular rank, and especially being selected for an elite outfit of the Indian Army, is in itself a recognition that Santosh was no ordinary soldier. He was an exceptional soldier. And knowing the fact that he was an exceptional soldier, people have recognized that. And him having led from the front, today he has achieved martyrdom. People, this has definitely a social impact over the entire belt.
We have heard that this whole episode will have a social impact. People from here are proud, his villagers are proud, and they are in a way bidding a farewell to their lovable son, but they are confident that the youth from this area that has a tradition to join the defense forces will once again rise to the occasion, and they will make this soil proud.
Oh, absolutely, Pankaj, but a very emotional moment for his wife and his two young children as well. There you can see the last rites and the body of the very brave Colonel Santosh Mahadik, which is being now taken for the last rites, and we can see a huge presence of people there who are, in fact, have come from all walks of life to express their condolences and pay tribute to the exceptional soldier who died, fighting terrorists, who led from the front, who believed in, leading the team and also fighting fearlessly those terrorists and protecting the country. A very, very, very proud moment there for our country and, of course, for the family members of Colonel Santosh Mahadik. Pankaj, did you get a chance to speak to his family members? I was just listening to his brother, and, of course, they were, fondly remembering him for the person that he was and, the live energy that he was most known for. Okay, we'll go to Pankaj in just a short bit, but as you can see right now, live visuals that we're getting for you from Satara, which is the ancestral home of the very, very brave soldier, Colonel Santosh Mahadik, who lost his life fighting the terrorists. This took place in an encounter in Kupwara district. We also saw the entire army paying tribute at the 15 Corps headquarters, Badami Bagh, yesterday, and now, of course, his body being flown to his ancestral village for the last rites. We can see a huge presence of army personnel there, also some of them being his colleagues, his friends, his relatives, and even people who probably would not have been personally connected to this very brave hero, but now gathered there to express their solidarity and their tribute to what Santosh Mahadik has done for our country.
Avantika with me,
यादें, वो हर बात पे वो कुछ तो खास थी। मतलब जो भी बात करता था पूरे दिल से करता था, और वो दिल को छू के हम वैसा ही करते थे जैसा वो चाहता था।
आप उनके बड़े भाई, फिर भी आपने
बड़ा
कहा कि
फिर भी वो मेरा गुरु था, क्योंकि वो इतना मतलब होशियार और सब अच्छे अच्छे जो भी गुण आदमी में रहते हैं वो सब उसमें थे। इसलिए मुझे वो पता चला, इसलिए मैं उसको गुरु मान के जो भी मुझे अड़चन आती थी मैं उसको पूछता था, फोन पे बात करता था, और वो मेरा पूरे प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करता था। और आगे क्या करना चाहिए, क्या करते करते रहना चाहिए, हमको कैसा गाँव, अपना भाग, अपना देश बदलना है, उसके आगे की 10 साल की विजन था कि जो भी काम करना है पूरे दिल 100% उसको जोर लगा था। मतलब छोटा छोटा काम भी हो, पूरा 100% उसमें इन्वॉल्व होता था और वो काम करता था। अभी मैं कुपवाड़ा गया था तो उसका काम करने का तरीका देख के मुझे लगा वो पिकनिक के लिए इधर आया है क्या। मतलब इतना एंजॉय करके वो काम कर रहा था। उसको कभी ऐसा नहीं लगा कि मैं काम कर रहा हूँ और मुझे तकलीफ हो रही, कौन सा भी काम करते समय वो बहुत एंजॉय करता था। मतलब ऐसा नहीं फौज का ही, इधर आने के बाद हमको भी हेल्प करता था, पूरा नाच काच के हमको हेल्प करता था। ऐसा भाई अगर मुझे नहीं किधर भी आदमी कहा, ऐसा नहीं मैंने देखा इतना वो।
निसग म नि प म ग नि प म ग स नि प म नि स प स। जहाँ तक याद आती रहेगी